Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see at the very top, we've got the option automatic date time, which is a network provided. So because this option is turned on, we cannot manually change the date and time. So let's first of all tap on it and tap on off. As you can see, you can also use GPS provided time. So now let's tap on date. And from this calendar, we can pick the date we want to use. So for example, let me pick randomly this one, tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. The same situation with the time. From this clock, we can pick the time we want to use. So for example, something like that. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. What's more, we can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here tap on the region. As you can see, we will be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, maybe United States, and sometimes you will be able to pick the region also. So let me pick, for example, this one. So as you can see, it will be immediately set, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we can decide if we want to use automatic 24-hour format, or here we can decide manually. So currently we are using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on this option and using network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.